everybody and welcome to Draw with Alan. My name is Alan Nolan. I'm an illustrator and I'm a writer, and I write and I draw books for kids. But I love drawing. I do a lot of drawing right here in this channel, and you can also see a lot of other stuff on my website alannolan.ie. Now today we're going to draw a very elusive animal, an animal you probably won't see in Ireland unless you look really closely. We're going to draw a smooth newt. Now a newt is a little amphibian creature. It's like a frog, but it's the only amphibious creature in Ireland with a tail. So that's what we're going to draw. We're going to start off with the newt's eyes. So up at the top of your sheet, I'll draw along. You can copy me. All you need is a pencil and some paper. We're going to start off the eyes with two circles like this. One here and one right beside it, just about there. Okay, and there are the eyes. Now we're going to draw the pupils of the newt's eyes, and we're going to do this with little black pupils with little white highlights inside, just to bring our little character to life. So inside each of these circles I'm going to draw another little black circle. So I'll draw a black circle here and a black circle here, and then up in the top right hand corner of each of those little black circles I'm going to put an incy-wincy little white circle. So a little white circle up here and a little white circle here, and then I'm going to colour in the rest black. So all coloured in black here with a black pupil, and all coloured in black on this side, little black pupil over here. Excellent. Now we're going to do the newt's nose, and we're going to do this with a sort of U shape like this. In fact, we're going to do the nose and the head. So it's a U you write in your copybook, but it's going to go up at an angle like that, okay? So I'm going to start it about here, just underneath the eyes. I'm going to draw a line going up, around for the top of the U. It should be the bottom of the U really, and then back down to about there. Okay. And then to draw the newt's nose, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put two little nostrils right up here on the tip of his nose. It's going to be a little, almost like a number 6 shape, a tiny little number 6 shape here for one nostril. You can just about see it there, and I'm going to colour in the little roundy bit on the 6 black. And then right beside it I'm going to do a backward 6, so a backward 6 over here, and then colour in the end of that black as well. There we have our little newty nose. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the newt's legs. Now, newts have 4 legs, and they're really bendy little legs, little spiky little toes at the end. So to draw the legs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 curved lines going up. Just from this line here, I'm going to draw a curved line going up like that, and a curved line going up like that. Okay, and then the same on the other side, another little arm going up or leg going up. It's going to be a curved line going up like that, and a curved line going up like that. And then on the end of each of these legs, I'm going to put 4 little spiky toes. Because newts, they're not lizards, they're amphibian creatures. They're related to frogs and toads. So they have 4 little frog-like little spiky toes at the end of each of their legs here, okay? So I'm going to do them with 1 spike, 2 spike, 3 spike, 4 spike, just like that. And the same on the end of this one. 1 spike, 2 spike, 3 spike, 4 spike, just like that. Cool. Now, newts have really bendy bodies. They're really flexible. And they need to be, I suppose, because they swim a lot, and they swim with their bodies, and they have big long tails. They spend 4 months of the year underwater, so that's a long time. They need to be able to swim. So to do that, they have bendy bodies. So to draw the bendy body, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here with a curve that starts at the end of his leg and comes around like that. Okay, that's a big long curve. And then just to show that he's kind of curving, he's going to be curving around this direction here, I'm going to draw a little slightly smaller curve over here. So another little slightly smaller curve over here. Okay, and then we give him some back legs. So we get another back leg, 2 curves going up, 1, 2, just like that. And then just to mix it up a little bit, we'll put 2 more curves on this side, but we get it going down. So 2 curves for a leg on this side, they're going to be going down slightly, just like that. Brilliant. And then we'll put the 4 toes on again. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toes over there. And 4 toes on this side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. And then we're going to do the tail of this amazing creature. Let me tell you, do you know what the babies are called? They're very like frogs, so their babies are actually called tadpoles. The female newt will lay 1 egg and she'll attach it to an underside of a leaf, like a lily or something that's floating in water, and be attached underneath there. And then a little tadpole will come out of that egg and it'll swim around until it becomes a newt. It'll grow the arms, exactly like a frog. It'll grow the legs, and it starts off with the tail in place. So we're going to draw a tail next. Okay, so to draw the tail, I'm going to continue this curve straight around, like that to about there. Okay, and then I'm going to draw another curve between here and here. So another curve between the back of his leg that curves around to his tail. Brilliant. And now we're nearly done. We're just going to put a stripe going right down the body, the back of this newt. So we're going to start that at his eye here. I'm going to draw a curve that goes right the way down his body, right the way down to the point of his tail. And then another one coming from this side, down the body, down to the point of the tail as well. Okay? So another curve from his eye will come down like this, around, down, down to the point of the tail like that. And then one from the other eye, it'll start up here, it'll come down, round, right to the end of the tail like that. And that is your newt. Remember, when you're colouring them in, newts are usually kind of grey-green colour. They sometimes have black spots, they sometimes have grey spots. But these are your newts. They can be any colours you like. You can have a blue newt, a yellow newt, a green newt, a purple newt. You can have a newt that's the colour of the rainbow. It's completely up to you. Well done, everybody.